So today's video is going to be an unboxing of a few different things, but I thought I'll show you guys the Yeezy 350 V2 Citrins that dropped on... It was a Monday, so I'm pretty sure it was the 23rd of September. So I know this is a little bit late, so I'm sure you guys already know what they look like, but just in case you want to know what they look like, this is what they look like. So here we have the Citrin colorway, and yeah, I got this in a 6.5, which is just my usual size in all the 350 V2s. As usual, they fit a little bit small, so I recommend going half a size up. And the overall vibe I get from this particular colorway is that it's sort of a mix between the sesame, butter, kind of the synth a little bit. I don't actually have the synth with me anymore, so I can't compare them next to each other, but I think it is a pretty good colorway. But if I had to pick between the Cloud that dropped earlier and the Citrin, I'll definitely pick the Cloud. But again, it depends on what colorways you prefer. But I thought I would just show you guys anyway, because some of you guys requested me to do a review on this particular colorway. So I'll do some on-feet stuff as well, so you guys can know what it looks like on feet. But yeah, I feel like I don't have too much to say about them, only because it's just a new colorway, and there will definitely be more Yeezy drops coming up this year, so I'll try my best to do a review. I know I think I've missed 2 so far, and I feel very bad, so I'm sorry guys. I haven't done the hospital blue one either, and I didn't actually pick up a pair. If you guys still want me to do a review, let me know, but for now we will be talking about this one. Like I said, it looks like a very familiar colorway. I actually do like the outsole, so it's not your typical gum outsole. I know previously with the sesame it had the gum outsole, and this one's sort of like a reddish, kind of pinky, translucent gum kind of color. I hope I'm making sense. But yeah, that is the Citrin. They did come out with a reflective version, which I do not have, unfortunately. And obviously the reflective one resells for a lot higher. I don't know what the resale prices is like for this, but I don't think it'll be too high. I got mine from Subtype actually. My friend won the raffle in my size, so he actually just sold it to me for retail, which was really, really good. But yeah, if you guys want to pick a pair up, I'll try and find some links down below. I usually get my shoes from StockX if I miss the release date. But yeah, those are the Citrins. And then let's move on to some other stuff. Also, I went to the KAWS exhibition and picked up more stuff, so I thought I'll show you guys. And let me just put it somewhere else because I feel like it's blocking my view. I actually picked up the puzzle, so I don't know if you guys follow KAWS on Instagram, but he posted the photo of the puzzle. And when I went to the exhibition, I actually saw this and never picked it up because I thought it would be really small and not that cute. But then when I saw that photo on Instagram, I was just like, I need one, and they restocked it recently. It comes in 2 styles. There's this one over here, and then there's this design over here. And the retail price is $49. Wait, is it $49? No, the retail price is $45, which is actually really, really good. So I'm really excited to make this jigsaw puzzle. I actually want to open up to see what it looks like, so I actually need a knife. Thank you. So because this is part of the NGV merch, I feel like they'll constantly restock this. So if you haven't been able to get your hands on one, I feel like you definitely still have a chance if you go to the NGV sometime. Hello. Ta-da! So this is like a 1,000-piece kind of a puzzle. Look at that, there's a lot of them. They're actually quite small. Oh my goodness, I didn't realize they were that tiny. When am I gonna have time to make this? So I actually got this because it's cute, number one. And also, if you guys didn't know, I will be moving soon. So I thought I'll make this and then like mount it on a board and frame it up. I think that's pretty cute. I think that's what everyone's thinking of doing. And then there's this little poster over here, so that is what it's meant to look like. But I think the finished product is a lot bigger than this, based on the photos that I've seen. So that's one of the puzzles. And then let's open the other one as well. So I actually went to the NGV yesterday again and picked up more stuff. And I actually bought an extra set of the puzzles, but then my friend ended up wanting it, so I just gave it to him for retail because I thought I might just buy extras and then I can just like leave it for a giveaway in the future or something. So I don't know, I might go and try and pick up more. So this is the other one. And then again, why does this feel like they're small? Am I crazy? No, it's just a 1,000-piece puzzle. So this one here, and then it comes with the poster as well. So I guess that kind of helps you as a guide when you're trying to make this puzzle. But yeah, it's so cute. Look at it. And then, moving on to this one, is another thing that I picked up yesterday. And again, I feel like I kind of panic bought it. I'm not sure because that's in the frame. Fuck. Back to this. So I picked this up yesterday and it's actually the set of plates. I'm pretty sure I mentioned it in my KAWS unboxing video and I thought they sold out, but then it turns out they have more. And the retail price for this is 550 Australian dollars and there's 4 plates in here. And let's just be honest, I don't think I'm ever gonna use it or display it, so I don't know why I bought it. It was kind of like a panic, like, it's there, I should buy it, and if I feel like if I don't buy it, then I might regret not buying. I don't know. My theory when I was there, I was just thinking like buy now, think later. So that was what happened. But yeah, anyway, let's just go ahead and open this up. Oh, look at this, so cute. I actually haven't seen this before. So that's one of them. They're so pretty. Look at that. I guess if I'm ever feeling like very, very bougie, I might end up using them, but who knows. I guess if you're a very special guest at my house, I might bring out the KAWS plate. But that's the other design. I'm so afraid I'm gonna like ruin them. And then, is this the same? No. So they're all a little bit different. They look very similar, but they're not. So that's the other one, and then there's one more. So initially my plan was to maybe frame them up. Is that a thing? Do people frame plates? Yes, people frame plates. And I thought I could frame them up and just have them in the kitchen or something. I think that could be cute. But the plate's actually quite big, so I don't know how good that will look like on the wall. Can you imagine that? I don't know. But like I said, we buy now, we think later, okay? So we got one more bag of stuff. It's actually not too much in here, but I thought I'll just show you guys anyway what I picked up. So they have this little section at the NGV that they have at the moment for kids, and it's actually really cute. So they give you a card and you can stick all these little stickers on the card, but the only thing though is that you can't join this activity if you're not a kid. And even if you go there, like I just wanted the stickers and they wouldn't give it to me. And then I even said like, I have a kid at home, can you give me the stickers? I don't have a kid at home. But they were like, no, if you have a kid, you have to bring your child with you. And then this was just lying on the table and I stole it. I just really wanted it, so as you guys can see, it's sort of like half used, but I'm gonna show you. If you look at my phone case, I think this is pretty cute. So this is like obviously like a clear phone case with the DHL one. This is from Casetify, and then I just put the stickers in here. It's so cute. I have some spares, which the letters are not complete, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I just think it's really, really cute. But anyway, I'm talking too much about stickers. Let's move on. Speaking of stickers, I also picked these up, and these are part of the NGV merch as well. They're like these puffy little stickers. I'm pretty sure they're like $7.95 each. I also have some pins, so they started stocking these pins last week as well. And then you guys have all seen the postcards, and then they have a keychain. So this is the Chum keychain. It's very cute. They had a blue BFF one as well. It was sold out, so I couldn't get that. I picked up 2 more of these like holographic card things because yes, for the giveaway, and then some pins for you guys, and then also these are the magnets. So I have like double ups because why not? So I'm sure you guys already seen this. I showed you guys in my last unboxing. So that's all I picked up at the KAWS NGV exhibition for now. So this is the 3rd time I've been, and every single time I go there, and NGV is taking all my money. Brian is eating good, okay? Brian KAWS Donnelly is eating good. Okay, and then I have one more thing to unbox, and this is probably like the thing I'm most excited about. And it is this treat box from Tokyo Treats. So this is actually like a Japanese snack subscription, and they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to unbox their box, and I'm like, Japanese snacks, of course I'll say yes, sir. I'm super excited. I was going to wait to open this together with you guys, but yesterday I had a moment of weakness and then I opened it. But I only had I didn't look through everything. I just opened it. I was like, it's so cute, and then I closed it because I didn't want to ruin the surprise for myself and you guys. So ta-da, let's open it up. And this is what it looks like inside. It's so cute. So this is the October box, and you guys can see it's sort of like a Halloween theme. It's so cute, and it comes in this little pamphlet. I've actually never done a subscription box before. I know there's a lot out there. There's like beauty ones and fruit ones and what else is there? Like jewelry ones. But this is my first one, and because it's like snacks, I kind of can't say no. So there's a little pamphlet in there that shows you what you get in the box, which I think is pretty cool. And what I have is actually the premium box, so it comes with all this stuff. So we're gonna go through it together, and then we're also gonna eat some snacks together, which is the most exciting part. So the first thing we have here is... my Japanese is getting really bad. I feel like I can't read it. But I'm assuming, based on the photo, this kind of looks like a pumpkin chisel. Wait, let me see. Kabocha, which is pumpkin. Gratin. Oh, okay, like gratin, like that. You know that dish, like pumpkin gratin? I think that's what it's meant to be. I think that's the flavor of it. Okay, let's open this up. The packaging is so cute, and then it comes in this like mini little pouches. So cute! Let's try it. Wow, it's so tiny. These are like the tiniest little chisels I have ever seen. Why are they so small? They look like they could be like cereal. Oh. I'm not sure if this is sweet or... I think I was imagining it to taste like chisels, even though I saw that some pumpkin flavor. It's good, but I'm confused. Would you like to try one? We like it? Okay, moving on. Let's see this one next. So this one says Ika Ashi Arare. I think it's like a squid chip. I feel like this is gonna have a strong like smell, but we'll see. So that is what it looks like. Mmm! So good! This is good. It doesn't really have a strong flavor, but I think it's really, really yummy. There's a little Pikachu thing here. I have no idea what this is. I think it's very cute. There's just like a bunch of lollies in here, so I'm not gonna eat every single thing, else this video is gonna be way too long. So there's biscuits here. Also, this looks like some sort of chisel kind of thing. A lot of lollies, and I'll link the snack subscription box down below if you guys are interested, by the way. It's a little marshmallow, and then here we have a lamune, which is like this Japanese lemonade, and it has like a Pokemon thing in front as well. I'm sure you guys have had this before, but I'll show you guys how to open it. It's the drink with like that little marble inside, if you guys are new to this. So you get this little cap on top, and then you put it on top of the drink, and then you're meant to push down, and it pushes the... My nails are too long. What? Why can't I open it? What's wrong with me? Hell. Ah. Why is it so hot? Okay, this is meant for kids. Why is it not opening? Oh, fuck. Wait, no, it did do. Oh my god, no, we're so stupid. I'm so stupid.
Yeah, you take it out of the lid and then push with your palm.
So obviously it's been a long time since I've had a bottle of lemonade. So what you do is like you remove this section from here. I'm so embarrassed right now. I'm sorry guys. I promise I've been to Japan a lot of times and I'm familiar with this. My brain is not working today, but okay, there you go. So you actually remove it from that plastic bit, so you have this little plastic cap on top, and then you push it down. Okay, and that's how you open the bottle. Ah! So as you guys can see the little marble that's in the little drink here, and that's what you push down before, and then now you can enjoy your ramune. Also, we have some like Kit Kats, and this one, the flavor is apple pie. So apple pie. Oh, there's a photo of apple pie here. So let's try this. But yeah, I think overall the box is really, really good. Like I've never tried... I'm useless. Okay, that's how you do it. I'm definitely going to try out more of these subscription boxes because I like snacks and I like to eat, so you kind of can't go wrong. Also, it gives you like a variety of snacks that I've never tried before, so it definitely is really fun to unbox each month. I think you get it each month if I'm not mistaken. But again, I'll link the Tokyo Treat website down below so you guys can check it out. I'm gonna try this apple pie flavored Kit Kat. It does taste like apple pie. Initially, I feel like because it's purple, My mind doesn't think it's apple pie. I don't know, but it actually does taste really, really good. Japan hands down has the best Kit Kat flavors because they always come up with like seasonal flavors. So with this box, I guess it's like a chance to try a lot of different seasonal things from Japan. So I love it a lot. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm actually ending this video now because my camera is telling me it's overheating. So I need to stop filming, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Bye! I thought I'll show you guys.
That's okay.
Am I supposed to move it?
Yeah, so push it forward and do that one more time.
Okay. Overall, the color is good. I don't think it's my... Is my nose sweaty? Overall, I think it's a... Oh fuck, I keep forgetting there's a view here. Wait. Do I put this like that? Can I look this way? Yeah, like that. Okay. I should be more prepared. Why are they small? What? What is this? Battery exhausted! Damn it! Is it working? I'm not sure. Anyway, at least this camera is working.